Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our drive on US-11 north through the city of Roanoke, Virginia. And we start off with a very non-compliant Route 11 highway shield on a reassurance marker. That is ugly, and I have to wonder if the sign maker has ever read any of the guidelines set forth by the MUTCD or Manual on Uniform Traffic Control Devices, which is supposed to ensure the consistency of traffic signs and signals throughout the United States. We've spotted a number of these errors and inconsistencies on US-11, and there seems to be some agreement throughout the various road enthusiast groups online that Virginia Department of Transportation plays fast and loose with their signs. Anyway, we're on Campbell Avenue in downtown Roanoke now, heading into the Central Business District. Here we turn left onto Williamson Road, picking up concurrencies with US-220 Business, US-221, and State Route 116. It's unusual to see two 3-digit auxiliary routes with sequential numbers so close together. Also note that US-220, both its mainline and business route, is a north-south highway, even though it has an even number. US-220 is a spur of US-20, heading south nearly 700 miles from its parent route, although it never actually connects to US-20 or any of its other auxiliary routes. US-221 is a double spur of US-21, extending both northeast and southwest of its north-south parent, running from the Florida Panhandle to Lynchburg, Virginia. At Orange Avenue, we see the termini of US-11 alternate and US-220 alternate to the left. State Route 116 turns left and US-221 turns right, while we continue straight on US-11 on Williamson Road, ending all concurrencies. Here on the right, we see two youths standing in front of the Knowles C. Taylor Academy, raising funds for something. Carrie emptied her change purse into their bucket, but we never did figure out what they were collecting money for. Presumably, it was for something school-related, such as a sports team or band uniforms. We enter the CDP of Hollands here, which we'll talk about next time as we're approaching the end of today's video. You can help contribute to the rising costs of making these videos by sending us a donation via the Super Thanks button below, or you can join our channel for just $1 a month to get early access to our videos and see the occasional members only video. You can also select a $5 per month option for channel membership, which will get you name in bigger, bolder, highlighted text at the end of each video, along with the other channel members. Click the link in the description for details. We've also reduced the prices on all of our Spreadshop merchandise. There are links to that below as well. We'll conclude our video at mile 155. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.